It's one of the longest away trips of the season. It's Dover away. I believe it's the third longest away trip after Torquay and Weymouth. Yeah, our record isn't great against Dover. We drew 3 and lost 1 of our 4 games against them. And really our record against the top half isn't bad usually. In the top games, in the big games, it's actually, we perform well. But one thing that does need to change is our performances against the teams in the bottom half of the table. That's what's going to really help us climb the table. Because it's them games we're not usually faltering. And that's got to start changing today. Come on Knox, come on you pies. Let's do this. We're on our way to Dover. We're on our way. Yeah, to pass the time by, Aaron's just suddenly got out his football quiz that just got out from nowhere. I don't know where he's managed to get it from.
Santa.
Stop looking at the answers. What? I'm not.
Hey, he's looking at the questions here.
We don't answer these ones, do we?
No, you answer.
How come we answer the question?
Go on, El, Tom, Scott.
Nice and clear.
Who were the 3 goal scorers in the 2018 Champions League final, where Real Madrid beat Liverpool 3-1?
So we're at Dartford Services, or just around near Dartford, and yeah, there is a Burger King over there, but we've gone for a better option today. We've gone for Greggs, and not just that, we've gone for Greggs Pizza. Megan's gone for a much needed coffee, which she's been needing for ages. Some sausage roll over there for Yanis. And what have you gone for, Kieran?
Corned beef bake.
Corned beef bake. Different varieties at the services table. I'm about to see who's won the quiz on the coach. Not the quiz that Mel sets, but the one we were doing at the back with Aaron, Scott, Elliot and Tom. Good fun that was. Started the quiz earlier. We're now back on the coach after the services. Everyone's counted what they've got. We'll start with Aaron because...
No, I'm not last. You shouldn't start with me.
No, okay.
I back myself.
You back yourself.
Boys, yeah.
Elliot is last. He
Okay.
looks.
We'll
smart,
start
but
with
he's
Scott.
I got 20.
You got 20. What did you get, Elliot?
I got 9.
He looks smart, but he's not.
Yeah, okay, I lost. Take your part last.
What did you get, Tom?
I got 16.
Aaron?
20.
I got 29.
Not just a pretty face.
So happy with that.
I'm only joking.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Do you want second?
I'm either first or nothing.
Might do a tiebreaker.
Tiebreaker.
Tiebreaker time.
But you have to, what's the rules?
But you have to get your words out for a start.
We need a guest appearance somewhere.
Just ask the question and we'll answer it.
Okay.
Are we writing it down?
Yeah, we're ready. Who won FIFA's online poll to decide the best goal at the 2018 World Cup? That makes sense.
2018. Oh.
Basically, people voted online.
And who
best
won it?
goal of the World Cup.
Okay.
Who won it?
World Cup 2018.
2018.
So.
I have a feeling who I know this might be.
Of course it did.
Of course you do.
You can't say much, Elliot. You got less than 10.
Okay.
Don't say yes or no if it's wrong until he shows you answer. Let's try at the same time, yeah? Wait.
We have a winner.
Benjamin
Pavard.
What have we put, Aaron?
second place.
Mbappe.
Mbappe.
Well, who wants to come second if you're not first?
What are we saying, Melvin?
It's a joke!
Game's off. We're literally 40 minutes away. We're 40 minutes away from Dover. And it's off. Second away game in a row. What have you come back for? You've come back for an FA Trophy game and a Wrexham game, but he's got donuts at least.
3 donuts, lad.
He's got donuts at least. But we have we have no game. I'm so I can't even be asked to be angry anymore. Like, it's just we went to second bottom of the league and it gets called off an hour before kick-off, and now we'll go to bottom of the league. And then apparently we get no warning at all about the game being off. The referee turns up and says, "Yeah, this ain't playable." Off we pop. Wasted journey.
I'm not angry, I'm just very disappointed. Now I'm fucking pissed.
Oh, I can't do it.
I needed the letter U, and I've got the letter U. Right, I've got the scores for my game. It was Tom, Scott and Aaron on one pitch. What are the scores between you three?
Well, third place, a dismal 56. It's Aaron. Of course it is.
I'm jet lagged.
Okay, and tied first. 48. Me and Scott. Come on, big up. Go on. Go on.
Right, so in last place, it's Megan, 59.
Hey Aaron, you didn't do work.
I got 58.
You got 56.
And then in third is Elliot with 58.
I'm jet lagged. I don't know what your excuse is.
In third is Kieran with 54. He leaves us with 40, me with 40.
9.
3.
You won the quiz and the goal.
Just realised that I kind of didn't do an outro whilst I was in Nottingham, so here we are. Yeah, not how we wanted the day to go in terms of the game. How you can just not inform us at all. How it's all okay and then not inform us at all before the game, and then just call it off an hour and 40 before kick-off. Like, we were 40 minutes on the ground. So annoying, but it's football, innit? It happens. Like I said against Kings Lynn, it happens. Thanks to everyone who made today so good, despite what went on with the postponement. You know, made a day of it, which was good. Had a great time, and that's what you got to do in life. On to, I don't even know who we've got next. Kings Lynn Tuesday night, which is probably going to be postponed as well, because the weather forecast doesn't look good for them. So Eastleigh Saturday, FA Trophy, that should be good fun. Yeah, if you've enjoyed this weird kind of vlog again, I know we had the same type of thing against Kings Lynn, but yeah, anyways, comment down below. You know, comment down below where you were. If you're a Notts fan, comment down below, you know, where you were when the game got postponed. Stay subscribed if you're subscribed, subscribe if you're new. Be safe, be champions, and as always, Toulouse.